So, John, one of the things we're going to want to do is, you've given me a good overview of what your sleep looks like right now. In order for us to be really precise on how we target your sleep, I'd like to have you do something that's called a sleep log.
Sleep log, okay.
Basically, it's a way of tracking your sleep over the next 2 weeks, day by day, so we get a sense of, when you go to bed, when you wake up, and all those times that you're awake in between. And we can use that to make some precise decisions about how to work with you to get your sleep where you want it to be.
All right, sounds easy.
All right. There's two ways that we can do a sleep log, and I'll introduce them. You can kind of decide which one works best for you.
Okay.
One is there's a paper version. I give you a sheet of paper that just has 2 weeks on it, and you would go through and fill out when you went to bed, when you woke up, and a couple of other details.
And this is every day over the next
Yep.
Okay.
One sheet of paper, but you would use that for every day for 2 weeks.
Okay.
The other version, and I'm introducing this because I know you kind of like technology, but
I do.
There is an app that you can use to.
Now we're talking.
Yeah, it's on your phone. It works on any smartphone, and you can use it to track your sleep each day.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, that sounds like you're interested
Sounds
in that
good.
one.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I think I like that better. I might not lose it.
Yeah, well, go ahead and pull out your phone, and
Okay.
we'll get you to this to the app store.
Okay.
So put in CBTI, and there you go, and download that.
Is this it, right?
Yep.
Okay, cool. Cool.
All right, and there it is. If you go back to your home screen and open up the app.
Oh, that's pretty cool. All right.
Yeah. So you notice there's really on this screen there's two things that you need to worry about.
Okay.
The first one is there's this button here that says My Sleep. Yep.
Yeah.
And then there's this other button that says Reminders. And those are the two that you're going to be worried about for this next 2 weeks.
Okay.
Let's start and go ahead and just enter in how your sleep was for yesterday.
Yesterday.
So click on the My Sleep button.
My sleep.
Yep.
Okay.
And then click on the one that says Sleep Diary. That's where you're going to.
Oh, okay. Okay. Sounds.
Yep.
This is cool.
And so what we're going to do is go through and kind of click Add New Entry. And this, it's pretty self-explanatory as you go through it.
See.
The first thing you do is you click on the nap button. Did you have any naps yesterday?
No naps.
Okay. So it's already on no, so you don't need to click anything.
Oh, okay.
And then click on the little box there for what time you got into bed last night. And then you'll see some scroll wheels come up. Yep. And go ahead and put in your bedtime for last night. Ballpark's going to be just fine.
Okay.
All right. And then what time you tried to go to sleep. So you got in bed at 7:30. Was it 10:30 again you tried to go to sleep?
Yeah, about that. Right.
Okay. Same idea. You just scroll down and get to 10 and to 30. And then how much time it took you to fall asleep is the next box. How much time was it yesterday?
Oh, including the naps? I mean, the times I woke up too? Or?
No. So from 10:30 when you turned off the lights till you actually fell asleep.
Oh, last time it was maybe about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour.
Yeah. And you can go ahead. Again, ballpark's going to be fine for us, but 45 or 60 is going to work for you there.
Okay.
All right. And then last night, how many times did you wake up?
Ooh, about 3.
And then if you added up all the time, so here you add up all the time for those 3 times you're awake.
Right. It's about 10 minutes each, about a half an hour looking at.
Good. And then next little box there is when you woke up for the last time. And then when you got out of bed, next box down.
So I got to do all of this every day.
You do, yeah.
Killing me. Thought I was going to like this app.
And then lastly, you rate the quality of your sleep. Excellent, good, average, poor.
Poor.
Okay, fair enough.
Yeah.
And what's nice about this is now that you've entered the data, it's going to estimate how good or how much time or how efficient your sleep was. So it's going to compare the time that you were in bed to how much time you were sleeping, and that's going to help us to come up with some targets in your next couple of visits.
Okay.
So you also see if you go back to the My Sleep homepage, you see there's a little graph there. As you keep on adding dates into your sleep log, you'll see the little graph, a little chart will appear that'll start to.
Oh, cool. Okay.
It'll map out how your sleep has looked over the week.
Excuse me. Mm-hmm.
And that might be interesting for you, but for me, it's critical to help me understand kind of what's working and what's not working for you.
Gotcha. So just make sure just enter in all of this each day.
Yep.
And when I meet up with you, we'll be able to access.
Yep. But there's even more. Here's why I like it.
More?
Yeah. Go back to the main screen where you've got the reminders button.
Okay. Let's see.
There you go. So you see right here, there's a reminder, and you push on sleep diary entry.
Okay.
And it's asking you to set like a time where your phone will actually remind you it'll bug you that you need to enter in your information from the night before.
Oh, okay.
So if you want to pause for a minute and think about when would be a good time where you'd have a couple minutes, you're not going to feel like it's a total annoyance for you to fill this out. Sometime during the day
Yeah, probably when I first get to work, because once I start my work, I'm busy from there. Next thing you know, I'm tired by the end of the day. So when I first get to work, I think that would be best.
Okay, so just that minute or two when you first...
Yes.
And is that a pretty regular time, when you're going to be walking in the door?
Oh, yeah, because I like to be on time. At least I try to be. So at least I know every day around 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Be at my desk.
Good. Well, let's go ahead and put that in as a reminder.
Okay.
And what's nice about it, just you find the time there and put in 9. And what's nice about this is you'll get a little reminder on your phone, just like a calendar reminder, a text message that says, hey, time to enter your new data.
Okay, cool.
And I like that because it's going to make it a little bit more easy for you to remember to enter this in every morning.
It's like a poke. Time to put it in.
Yeah. But it really seems like you got the hang of it. So continue to use this app for the next 2 weeks. And when you come back, we'll sit down and take a look at what your results look like. And
try my best.
All right, man. Appreciate your enthusiasm.
Of course, man.